2 years, one card holder. Today we are talking about the Carl Friedrik Hatton Cardholder. This piece of leather has been with me in meetings, cafes, crowded airports, and inner coat pockets. Today we find out how well has it aged. Real use, real verdicts. I picked up the Hatton Cardholder from Carl Friedrik in early 2023. Back then, I was done with bulky wallets. I'd already tested a few minimalist card holders, especially those aluminum clicky types. They were noisy, cold in the hand, and half the time the cards just fell out. I needed something simpler, softer, more refined. That's when I found Carl Friedrik. Their Hatton looked clean, Scandinavian-inspired, full-grain leather, no tacky logos. The optional monogram sealed it. It felt personal from the first glance. Yes, it was around 120 euros, but it looked and felt like something worth owning. Right out of the box, you noticed the leather, full-grain vachetta, vegetable tanned, no plastic coating, no chemical shine. It was rigid at first, almost too stiff, but you know that's a good sign. Real leather softens over time, and only the good stuff starts out this firm. The stitching? Precise. No loose ends. The monogram? Clean, subtle, classy. It didn't look like a status symbol. It looked like it belonged. This card holder has lived in every jacket and every bag I own. It's been sat on, dropped on tile floors, shoved in overcrowded pockets. And it held up. The leather has softened. There are slight pressure marks where the cards sit. But that's to be expected. What matters is no rips, no split seams, no warped leather. The monogram is still visible. No fading, no peeling. It looks better now than it did new. And that's exactly what it's supposed to do. Here's what the ads don't tell you. This is a minimalist card holder. It's not for hoarders. It holds 4 cards comfortably. I carry my ID, driver's license, bank card, and insurance. Sometimes a folded $50 in the middle for emergencies. That's it. If you force in more, the leather stretches permanently. Think twice before stuffing it. Another thing. That's not damage, that's patina. Also worth noting, this doesn't block RFID, but the risk of RFID theft, overstated. Let's talk about what works and what doesn't. Starting with the positives. The leather ages beautifully. It looks better now than it did on day 1, with deeper color and a softer feel. Its slim profile makes it perfect for suit jackets or summer trousers. It adds no bulk and fits anywhere. There are no distracting mechanisms or noises, just silent, smooth access. The stitching is top quality, and the optional monogram adds a subtle personal touch that never feels loud or tacky. It's professional, discreet, and still elegant enough for formal settings. Now the downsides? It's definitely expensive for a minimalist card holder, especially compared to mass market options. If you're someone who carries a lot, receipts, loyalty cards, or cash, this probably isn't for you. The leather will scratch if you're careless. It's not fragile, but it's not invincible either. Thanks for watching. I know, today's video was a bit shorter, but hey, there's only so much you can say about a minimalist card holder, right? If you want something with more gears, craftsmanship, and story, check out last week's video on the Citizen NJ0150-81E. It's a full review after 2 years of daily wear, and it might just surprise you. If you found this helpful, hit like. If you enjoy honest, long-term reviews with real-world wear and tear, subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, what should I review next? Something new or something that's aged well? Real use, real verdicts.